Welcome back. I'm Melinda Torres, and in this module, we're going to discuss state and federal laws pertaining to cigarettes and discuss the health effects of cigarettes as well as the statistics surrounding the damages that cigarettes cause. State laws for tobacco products are expanding and are still in the process of change, especially with regards to electronic cigarettes, so it's important to keep up to date with current changes in the state legislation. The primary law of concern with tobacco is the furnishing of tobacco to minors. Anyone that sells or even gifts tobacco products to minors can be subjected to criminal penalties, including fines. Selling single cigarettes, even to adults, is also illegal in the state of Pennsylvania. More recently, the state implemented a law to protect citizens from the harmful effects of secondhand smoke. The Clean Indoor Air Act, Act 27 of 2008 for Pennsylvania, made it illegal to smoke indoors in a public place or workplace other than wholesale and retail tobacco shops. Failure to comply with this law results in penalties for both the establishment and the individual smoking. Of course, in light of all the evidence about the harm of secondhand smoke, this law has the best interests of the public in mind. Even more recent than this, in June 2009, the FDA was finally granted control to regulate tobacco products. This is an important milestone because it represents definitive policy change which allows the federal government more control over the marketing of tobacco products to children. When it comes to the negative health effects that result from smoking cigarettes, it's no secret that cigarettes are bad for you, but even if you're aware that they're unhealthy, it's alarming to discover just how unhealthy they are. Did you know that smoking harms nearly every organ in your body? According to the CDC, smoking not only harms every organ, but leads to a 2 to 4 time increased rate for coronary heart disease and stroke. Men who smoke are 25 times more likely to develop lung cancer, and the risk is even slightly higher than this for women. It's a common myth that these health risks come with heavy smoking use, and while it's true that smoking more does cause more damage to the body, even those that smoke infrequently develop early signs of cardiovascular disease. The fact is that smoking of any kind damages blood vessels and makes them thicken and grow narrow. This forces your heart to beat faster and increase your blood pressure. It can also cause clots to form. Smoking causes lung cancer. Chances are you've already heard this fact. However, smoking also causes bladder cancer, cervix cancer, colon and rectum cancer, cancer of the esophagus, kidney and ureter cancer, cancer of the larynx, liver cancer, oropharynx cancer, pancreatic cancer, stomach cancer, tracheal cancer, bronchus cancer, and even blood cancer. So knowing all of this information, certainly people have stopped smoking, right? Unfortunately, while smoking rates have decreased in the U.S. over the last 20 years, cigarette smoking causes more than 480,000 deaths in the U.S. every year. 1 out of every 5 deaths that occur are direct results of smoking. Smoking causes more deaths each year than the combination of deaths from HIV, illicit drug use, alcohol use, motor vehicle injuries, and all firearm-related incidents, including homicides. To put that in perspective, more than 10 times as many U.S. citizens have died prematurely from cigarette smoking than have died in all the wars fought by the United States since it was founded in 1776. Remember that long list of cancers that I just listed a few minutes ago? Well, of all the cancer diagnosed in the United States, at least 1/3 of all cancer-related deaths occur as a result of cigarette smoking. Hopefully this information provides an eye-opening perspective and reframes much of the information you already knew about cigarettes in a new light. Please look at the document included in this module, which contains some infographics that depict these statistics, and watch the short video which depicts the health effects that are a result of cigarette smoking. After this, there's a quick check quiz which covers the laws, health effects, and statistics. As always, if you don't get all the questions right the first time, you can review the material and retake the quiz. After you complete the quick check quiz, the second half of the module will unlock, which discusses ingredients, advertisements, prevention methods, and a few facts and myths.